Hey there, cool cat. My name is Imanni. I write music for mental health awareness, and welcome to Mental Health Music Lessons. I'm actually very tired right now, which works out so well for this literal lesson. Today, we're going to be talking about when to stop getting stuff done. So, let's say that you're practicing piano, let's say that you're learning music theory, and you're studying and you're doing great, but now you're getting tired and you're feeling a little bit guilty that you didn't get to your goal. Well, I'm going to give you some tips to help you not feel that guilt. So, let's say it's been a long day, a beautiful Saturday, and you have your maybe later list and you finally returned that violin that you needed to do. So boom, it's gone, you erase it, but still there are two more things that you need to get done. You need to review music theory notes, and you did that for about an hour, but you're still not ready for maybe a test that you have the next day, or maybe you're not ready for whatever goal you had in the future. Maybe you're conducting an orchestra the day after, etc., etc., and you're getting a little bit anxious about the fact that you didn't finish this. What do? I like to do something called SMART planning. And SMART planning takes the elements of the S.M.A.R.T acronym and combines it with looking towards the future. So we're going to take these tasks that we can't complete right now, and we're going to focus on music theory today. And we're going to talk about planning to work on that the following day using SMART goals. So, in the world of SMART, if you haven't heard of SMART before, which I didn't for a long time, this is what it is. So, S stands for specific, M stands for measurable, A stands for obtainable, R stands for realistic, and T stands for time bound. So, we can actually start out at the bottom with T because we know we're going to work on this tomorrow, right? We're going to specifically look at pages 1 to 10 tomorrow morning. We're going to complete this in 1 hour's time. I'm just going to remind ourselves that it's okay to not, there's Bay, finish everything. What's going to make this realistic for us is saying that I'm going to do this on the iPad, let's say in the living room, without distractions, okay? Now here's some key things. It does not have to be perfect. You don't have to have all the SMART elements. Many times I usually just have the T and the S. Time, when am I going to do this? And S, specifically, what am I going to do? Many times we don't have the energy to actually put in every single one of these letters. But it's a nice little exercise just in case maybe one day you don't specifically know what it is, but you know what's obtainable, and maybe you need to start there before you're able to identify specifically what you need to get done. By doing SMART planning, we're able to push off activities in a way that's very responsible. So we know that the following day, we're going to get this done at this time, this place, because we know that, for example, maybe you know that you're a morning bird, so you typically get a lot of stuff done in the morning. So knowing that you'll have the energy to do this, setting aside the time to actually do this in the morning, writing it down that you'll actually get this done, will make sure that the task that you need to get done, such as reviewing those music theory notes, will actually get done. Practice is difficult, cool cats, as well as getting things done in your personal lives. So I'm hoping that these tips and tricks will help you when you're trying to get some stuff done. This has been Imanni from Imanni Music. I hope that you have a mentally healthy rest of your day, and I hope you learned something about music and about mental health. Bay and I, hi Bay. Bay and I are saying bye to you, and see you at the next lesson. Bye-bye. Hey Bay.